Presenting the Zebronics Silencio 111 wireless headphone Hybrid ANC. It comes in color options of white, blue, and black. It comes with DTV 5.4 and auxiliary port. Immersive audio experience and ink technology reduces background noise, ensuring audio clarity for calls, even in noisy environments, and crystal clear audio. It has the comfort, designed with soft, durable earcups for extended listening sessions and everyday use. It comes with just 10 minutes of charging. It also features seamless connectivity, support dual pairing and connection with two devices. Built-in calling function, low latency performance and headphones voice assistant feature.